Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best eSIM provider that you can get when you want to travel to Iceland and how you can actually get data in Iceland. So the first way that I definitely recommend to check out is Maya Mobile. And how does it work with Maya Mobile? You're going to have discount down below in the description, and here I'm going to first click coverage. I always check how is the coverage where I want to go, and as you can see, Iceland is really well covered, Reykjavik and all of that. And you can use the data on most places right here. Now, that's about the Iceland coverage. The second thing I always check out is that if I have the compatible phone with the eSIM, so when you're going to click here, help, eSIM compatible phone, and you're going to check like, okay, if your phone is actually here. If it is, then we can proceed to actually acquiring the eSIM card. Then I would click here, search, and I'm going to write Iceland eSIM. And here you're going to have option to choose between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or even 30 days. So let's say I'm going to go for 15 days to Iceland, and I'm going to just click here, activate now. You can choose how many days you want and also how much gigabyte you want. Pricing is really good here, or you can get even unlimited. So I'm going to click here, activate now. And then you can have the starting date. And here you can have 10% discount from me. Now, when you would purchase it, what will happen then is that you're going to get a QR code to your email. All you have to do is scan the QR code, and then you have to activate the eSIM. It's super simple and also nothing difficult. I made even a guide YouTube tutorial down below in the description that you can follow, and then you will know how to activate the eSIM card. So that's super simple. Then you're going to have another option using Airalo. That's like a competitor. And I'm going to write Iceland right here. And again, you see, let's say 10 gigabyte of data, or even 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte of data. So 10 gigabyte of data for 30 days, it's going to cost $23. You can have discount too. But as you can see, it's much more cheaper going with Maya Mobile comparing to Airalo. And when I check even here, they are using same network. So they're going to have safe coverage. It's all about the pricing now. And for me, Maya Mobile in this regard is much cheaper. Definitely check it out by yourself, but most of the time Maya Mobile is going to be cheaper. For some places, Airalo is much better comparing to Maya Mobile. But for this place, it's much better to use Maya Mobile comparing to eSIM. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. But of course, if you decided you want to use Airalo, I made even a guide for that too. So thank you very much. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.